primarily a mixed media artist, and I just like to experiment. I try to stay open and loose and free. I've always included a lot of animals. I like to work with coyotes a lot and foxes, and I just feel like I understand their language. Coyotes typically are thought of as tricksters, but I don't see them just as tricksters. I just find them to be really intuitive and smart. They're connected to something beyond words. I'm a runner. I also do a lot of movement, and sometimes that helps to kind of activate my imagination. I feel like I can hear when I'm out in nature or out on my favorite trail. When I'm thinking about a body of work, I will come out with a specific intention and I ask for guidance. If I come out with questions, I just come to listen to what I hear. And sometimes the coyotes will talk before sunset, around sunset. They start talking and I like to listen to them. I hope to inspire people to be their own change maker in the world, or to inspire them to be creative in their own way. Everyone has some story to tell in the world and something to say, and the job is just finding our voice in this life, finding what that is, what is our path, what is our story that we have to tell.